everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Makeup. So let's go to the next question, which will be, what's your favorite bath and body brands? Actually, I don't have one. I am kind of a really lazy person in the shower. Mostly I care about my hair more than body, which is, I know it's not really good, but actually I love Dove, the Dove soap. I love it so much. And every once in a while, I love to pamper myself and use even like body wash. So yeah. So I don't have a favorite brand yet. I'm really quickly. I do it really quickly. I don't stay in the bathroom more than 10 minutes unless I'm gonna do something really massive. But yeah, this is me. I don't know why, but I guess it's something from my childhood. Yeah, so yeah, I can say Dove soup. It's so amazing. Makes my skin so like soft because it's like a creamy soap. So yeah, I can say Dove. So this is for this question. It's not really good, but anyway, yeah, maybe something I need to look, yeah, like pay more attention to. Maybe, yeah. So yeah, so let's go to the next question in the next video, and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.